The CEO of Frame Returns, and I'm going to show today our mobile application for our merchandise returns platform. Frame Returns will allow retailers to offer mobile-based returns and also at the same time reduce their fraud. Some of the parts of the platform would be fraud detection, fraud prevention, fraud risk scoring, refund payment processing within the mobile app, returns data analytics, customer incentive injection, just many things. But today we want to demo the Android app. So what users will do is log into the application with their own profile that they set up. And I'll just log in real quickly here. They can also set up an account if they haven't set up one already, so they can register. Once they log in, they'll be able to retrieve the transactions that they purchased. They can go back, up to 90 days. They can pick the amount of time they want to go back. They can also choose the retailer for which they're pulling their transactions from. This time we'll just leave it on the default, which is Gap. Once they pull back their transactions, it will be as easy as picking an item that you want to return, adding it to your cart. This is a cart here. Setting the quantity in case you bought more than one. In this case, we only bought one. And this adds it to the cart so that it can be processed for a return. We can continue returning items, or we can clear the cart and start over, or we can continue to finish the processing. We will ask them to set a reason, and this is something retailers need so that they know why the items are being returned. So they'll set their reason, and then they'll come in and say how they want to return the item. Right now we have two options, drop off and ship back, but we will enable the Uber for returns, the at-home pickup service, later on. So that's coming. So since we selected ship back, we will hit continue. And this will bring up our information from when we set up the account. So this will create the shipping label so that we can ship it back. We can ship it back USPS or UPS, however we want to do it, and we'll get a shipping label. And behind the scenes, it's doing some checking to see if this is a return that can be processed, looks at return score, looks at returns history. In this case, the return was approved. If not, it will be either warned or flagged back to the retailer. So that's just a mobile app, but as I was saying, a lot of different features will be in the application. Thank you for your time and thank you for looking at our merchandise returns platform. And I'm Barbara Jones, the CEO.